Hey guys, welcome to this video. Many questions sometimes they arise in saying, asking about how to connect a blog with Adsense and stuff like that. You don't really need to connect the Adsense account with a blogger. You don't need to unless you want to do. That's another way of doing it. However, you can bypass by using my own method, and I'll be showing how to. First thing first, many they go and they click on they go to a blogger dashboard, and once you go there, they click on earnings and they say, okay, button, orange button to show that connection is available. Basically shows an app, so it's fine. Sometimes it doesn't show up. Then okay, what to do? If you go a full AdSense account, as I have myself, I'll be showing how to do that. First thing first, just go to my ads and then click on add unit. Grab the code, or you can create a new ad unit yourself, and then Google will generate the code. Once the code is being generated, just copy and then you paste it into your blog. Just go to layout, and then you can use the layout like add a gadget, use the HTML JavaScript, paste the code, and then it's done. Once it's done, you can view your blog. And then many they have a question saying, oh, but what the ads are still not showing that and so on, and all that stuff. Well, copy the URL. Remember that this is very, very important. Copy the URL, go to your AdSense account, click on settings, click on my sites, and then you need to add your website to your Google account. This can happen. I mean, it's the best thing Google has ever done, because in the past, people used to use other people's code to get banned. Example, you could go to a website, like if I go to this one here and I just right click and then I go to page source and I search for the code, which is AdSense. Okay, just like that. So now, as we can see in here, the AdSense code will start showing, and publisher ID and everything else. So in this case, uh, you could somebody can copy your ad code and paste it to their own website or blog or whatever, and they can start clicking, damaging you, in that case even getting you banned. So by adding your own website to AdSense, it shows that you're telling AdSense to show ads. Basically, you see the check mark to show ads on that particular blog and not any other websites that is not listed into your own AdSense account. This is the best way to do it. Otherwise, someone can use your code. But for no one to use your code is by just doing that. Come up here to AdSense account, click on settings, click on my site, click that plus button which is shows in here, add your URL, and then allow or disallow that domain to show ads. Example, if I do that, I'm just going to stop showing the ads, and then if I do that again, now I'm activating the ads to show on my blog just here. So this is how it works, and you don't really need to go into the settings or earnings, sorry, and then click on sign up and then you log in and then you wait for AdSense review. If you have a full AdSense account, that's what you do. If you haven't got a full AdSense account and you want to apply for one by using a blogger.com, then of course you're gonna have to come up here and then sign up for AdSense account. But since you have AdSense account, you don't really need to do that. Just go to AdSense, get a code from there, go to your blogger, use the layout, add the gadget, HTML, JavaScript in there, and then add the code. Save the code, and you are done. The ads should show up here. Just remember again to copy the entire URL and to add into other URL list, basically of your websites and blogs. And that's it. You've done. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope this video is very helpful for you. Any question, comments, whatever you like, I'll be happy to reply back. You can leave it just below this video. Also, if you want to subscribe, share and like, that would be great, because we're gonna update more often different videos. It could be by AdSense, how to make money online, YouTube, and so many others basically. So all we need basically you to subscribe and turn the notification button on. Otherwise, you probably won't receive any notification from YouTube telling you that a new video has been uploaded to my channel. Thanks again for watching. Have a good day.